Ciao everybody and welcome to Cucina con Manu. Today I'm so excited because we are going to prepare together Italian bruschetta. Non bruschetta, bruschetta. Let's see the ingredients. Bread, cherry tomatoes, garlic, fresh basil, salt and pepper. First of all, we cut the bread. Oops. Then I cut the piece of bread in half. I put the piece of bread on a pan because I will put them in the oven just for really few minutes. And I put already the oven at 350 degrees. Meanwhile, I can start to cut the cherry tomatoes. I will cut them in small pieces. And then we will add in the chopped tomatoes some extravirgin olive oil. This oil comes from my parents' country house in Puglia and it's so good. I will put some of the extra virgin oil here. Now I will cut a little bit of basil. Okay, everything here. Let me check the bread. Yes, I think it's ready. I will put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. I mix everything. Now I will take one piece of garlic, one piece of bread, and I start to rub the garlic on the bread. I don't like to eat the garlic. If you rub it on the bread, it's gonna be really tasty. Now I will put the chopped tomatoes on the bread. And here you go! Italian bruschetta is ready. It's really easy to make and this is a good choice for an appetizer. This was the recipe for the Italian bruschetta. Leave me a comment, let me know if you try it, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Ciao!